What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video.
Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex XL team. Today we were going to talk about the second part of supply zone, which is supply zone in the reversal structure. So the first video that I've talked about is the pro trend. So now let's talk about the reversal structure. So we see a market trend like this. Okay. So this is an example of a bullish trend, or a pro trend bullish structure. So sometimes price has this move to the downside, which is reversing to the downside. So when the price reverse, there's a supply created, like when it's in the bullish trend, and price do like this. So it breaks the previous structure and it will create a demand, or rather a supply. It is important that we look for confirmation before taking any trades. So it is a bearish momentum, like in this one, bearish momentum that breaks the previous structure, and then it changes from bullish to bearish structure. So changes its character, or what we call the change of character, from bullish to bearish. So the price tries to correct and respect this area where there's a last candle or up candle here before, or that caused the break. So here in our chart example, in CAD JPY 1 hour time frame, you would notice here that it is in a bullish trend, making higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high. So it's indeed in a bullish trend, and it's making a demand zone here. So later we could talk about the demand, but now we can see a market structure shift here, where this area in this one is making bearish move. So when we try to check it in like in 15-minute time frame, as you can see, there's this market shift. So from bullish move and changing its structure to bearish. So this is a risky trade, so we always say that it is always good to have confirmations before taking trades. So when you try to look here, you may see a bullish or a bearish move. So in much lower time frame, it is a clear market shift, as you can see. So this is in a 5-minute time frame. So it is always good to have a confirmation. So as you can see here, this is a swing low here, and it was broke with this move, with this bearish move, and the supply has created here, as you can see, this one. So when there is a break, so this is the last candle, up candle, that caused the break. So this area creates a supply where we can try to look in the future if it will continue to go to the downside. So the market have this range, or looks like creating liquidity and then mitigating it, respected this area, and then it could have been a good trade if you follow your plan. So you can target this previous low, or you can also try to look at the higher time frame, like in 1 hour. You can try to put your target here or here, because as you can see, it creates this trend line where there's this stop loss below on this swing low. So price might go here and sweep all the liquidity as. So that's it, guys. I hope you have learnings for supply zone in approach trend and here in reversal structure. So see you. Bye bye.